Let's learn A to Z construction vehicles name. A. Articulated dump truck. A. Articulated dump truck. B. Backhoe loader. B. Backhoe loader. C. Crane. B. Backhoe loader. D. Dump truck. D. Dump truck. E. Excavator. D. Dump truck. F. Forklift. F. Forklift. G. Grader. G. Grader. H. Hydraulic mining excavator. H. Hydraulic mining excavator. I. Impact roller. I. Impact roller. J. Jackhammer. J. Jackhammer. K. Knuckle boom crane. K. Knuckle boom crane. L. Loader. L. Loader. M. Mixer truck. M. Mixer truck. N. Narrow access digger. N. Narrow access digger. O. Off-highway dump truck. O. Off-highway dump truck. P. Paver, asphalt paver. P. Paver, asphalt paver. Q. Quarry dump truck. Q. Quarry dump truck. R. Road roller. R. Road roller. S. Skid, steer loader. S. Skid, steer loader. T. Tower crane. T. Tower crane. U. Underground mining loader. U. Underground mining loader. V. Vibratory compactor. V. Vibratory compactor. W. Wheel loader. W. Wheel loader. X. XCNG crane. X. XCNG crane. Y. Yard crane. Y. Yard crane. Z. Zoom line crane. Z. Zoom line crane.